Hey Adi, how are you? How's your company doing?
My company is doing fabulous work, but with the growing number of employees, I am now finding it difficult to check how each one of them is performing. Can you suggest the best way in which I can do it?
There are many ways to do it. You can figure out the best way for yourself by learning about all of them.
Oh, that is a time consuming thing. Is there any way to know about all of them quickly?
Of course, just enroll into the course about performance management systems launched by the greytHR Academy on Udemy. I too did the same thing last year.
Okay, have they explained all the performance management systems in it?
Yes, they have explained all the leading performance management systems in less than an hour's time. But not just that, they have also provided the things that you need to do to implement each of them and the best practices that you can follow to implement them effectively.
Oh, really? That sounds interesting. It must be a very costly course. I can't afford to spend much on learning now.
No, dude, the course is totally free. It is on Udemy. Just scan this QR code and enroll in the course for free right away.
That's amazing. Thank you so much, Sarah. Let me enroll immediately.